Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to change your account type in Indeed. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type Indeed.com and hit on enter right now. Do note that I've already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. What we need to do is simply go to settings. On the navbar, right next to the bell icon, to its right, there's a profile icon like this. Simply click on it and something like this will open up. Well, there are profiles, resume help and everything. Let's simply go to settings. Once you're in the settings page, something like this will open up. Initially, we'll be in the account settings. Do note that there are other options as well, but for now we simply stay in account settings. And the first option is account type. At its right, there will be something like change account type. Click the button right now. Now it's gonna give you two options. Right now we are a job seeker, but we want to change our account type to employer. Simply select employer and click on save. Well guys, that's it. That's how you change your account type in Indeed. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Thank you.